Welcome back to your Healing Kitchen, our special video playlist series uncovering the incredible health boosting spices and foods hiding in plain sight in your kitchen cabinet. Over the past 7 episodes, we have explored powerhouses like turmeric's anti inflammatory magic, ginger's digestive prowess, garlic's cardiovascular protection, amla's vitamin C supremacy, cinnamon's blood sugar benefits, and more. Today in episode 8, we are diving deep into a small versatile seed that 37 million Americans with diabetes need to know about. Found in both seed and green leaf form, fenugreek is a culinary gem quietly sitting in Middle Eastern and American grocery store aisles. Use its nutty seeds to spice up dishes or blend its vibrant leaves into wholesome flatbreads like chapatis for a nutrient-packed boost. Costing less than your morning coffee, this humble ingredient delivers health benefits that could rival medications costing thousands annually. Fenugreek isn't just a spice, it's medicine disguised as food. By the end of this episode, you will discover why it deserves a permanent spot in your healing kitchen. We are sharing 5 science-backed benefits that echo what ancient healers have known for over 4,000 years. You will learn exactly how to use fenugreek and why it might be the missing piece in your health puzzle. So let's get started. Number 5. Diabetes. If there is one disease fenugreek is so well known for curing, it has to be diabetes. We have a diabetes epidemic in America. 37 million Americans have diabetes, 96 million have pre-diabetes, and we spend more on diabetes than any other country in the world. Research shows that fenugreek can reduce fasting blood glucose by up to 25% and post-meal blood sugar spikes by over 42%. That's better results than many prescription medications with zero side effects. A major study published in 2024 analyzed multiple clinical trials and found that fenugreek supplementation significantly improved all glycemic control parameters, including fasting blood glucose, 2-hour post-meal glucose, and HbA1c levels. That's the gold standard test for long-term blood sugar control. An average American is spending $9,600 annually on diabetes care, injecting insulin and popping metformin. A bag of fenugreek seeds costs $4 and lasts a month. Indians are simply soaking seeds and drinking the water. The fiber and compounds in fenugreek slow down sugar absorption and improve insulin sensitivity naturally. Here is the traditional Indian method of fenugreek seeds usage for diabetes that's been proven by science. Take 10 grams of fenugreek seeds, soak them in hot water overnight, then drink the water first thing in morning on an empty stomach. You can also then chew the softened seeds for enhanced benefits. The taste may not be the best, but this simple ritual has been shown to control type 2 diabetes better than many expensive treatments. Number 4. Cholesterol control. This one addresses America's number 1 killer, heart disease. Every 34 seconds, someone in America dies from cardiovascular disease. No surprise we spend over $219 billion annually on heart disease treatments. Here's where fenugreek becomes a game changer for American health. Clinical studies show that fenugreek supplementation significantly improves lipid profiles, reducing total cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol while increasing beneficial HDL cholesterol. But this isn't just about numbers on a lab report. The typical American diet, processed foods, trans fats, refined sugars, creates a perfect storm for cardiovascular disease. Fenugreek works by binding to cholesterol in your digestive system and preventing its absorption. Recent research shows that people consuming just 5 grams of fenugreek daily experience significant improvements in their cardiovascular risk markers within 8 weeks. A teaspoon of seeds that could potentially save you from becoming another heart disease statistic. Number 3. Lactation. Benefit number 3 is crucial for new American mothers. Only 25% of American babies are exclusively breastfed for 6 months, and one of the main reasons mothers stop breastfeeding early is perceived low milk supply. Research confirms that fenugreek enhances breast milk production among postnatal mothers and facilitates healthy birth weight of infants within the initial week of life. In traditional Indian postpartum care, new mothers are given fenugreek in various forms: seeds soaked in water, fenugreek laddus, sweet balls, and fenugreek tea. This isn't folklore. Recent reviews found that fenugreek significantly increased breast milk production in 4 out of 5 studies. While American mothers are spending hundreds on lactation consultants, expensive pumps, and formula supplements, Indian mothers have been using this simple seed to ensure abundant milk supply for generations. The mechanism is fascinating. Fenugreek contains compounds that stimulate prolactin production, the hormone responsible for milk production. New mothers aiming to increase breast milk production should take 500 to 1000 milligrams of fenugreek. But the traditional method of soaking seeds and drinking the water is equally effective and completely natural. For American mothers struggling with breastfeeding, this could be the natural solution that keeps them on track with their breastfeeding goals without expensive interventions. Number 2. Testosterone booster. As per studies, testosterone levels in men have been declining by 1% every year since the 1980s. Low testosterone affects everything from energy and muscle mass to mood and libido. The testosterone replacement therapy industry in America is worth billions, with men spending thousands on treatments, gels, and injections. While the research on fenugreek and testosterone shows mixed results, men looking to support testosterone or libido could consider taking 500 to 600 milligrams of standardized fenugreek formulation. The compound saponins in fenugreek may help support healthy hormone levels naturally. Fenugreek's real power for men might be in metabolic health. Healthy blood sugar, good cholesterol levels, and reduced inflammation all contribute to optimal hormone production. Indian men consuming fenugreek regularly often maintain better metabolic health into older age. Whether it's the morning soaked seed water or incorporating fenugreek powder into meals, this approach supports overall male health, not just isolated hormone levels. Number 1. Digestive healer. This one addresses 2 major American health crises: digestive dysfunction and chronic inflammation. Over 60 million Americans suffer from digestive disorders, and chronic inflammation is linked to virtually every major disease. The typical American diet, processed foods, artificial additives, high sugar content, creates a perfect storm of digestive distress and systemic inflammation. Fenugreek is rich in soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and promoting digestive health. The mucilage in fenugreek seeds creates a protective coating in the digestive tract, reducing irritation and inflammation. In traditional Indian medicine, fenugreek tea is used for everything from acid reflux to inflammatory bowel conditions. The anti-inflammatory compounds in fenugreek help reduce systemic inflammation markers that contribute to heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune conditions. But here's what's really impressive. Fenugreek works both as treatment and prevention. Regular consumption helps maintain healthy digestive function and keeps inflammation in check, rather than waiting for problems to develop and then treating them with medications. While Americans spend billions on probiotics, digestive enzymes, and anti-inflammatory medications, this simple seed provides multiple benefits in one natural package. The morning fenugreek water ritual supports digestive health, reduces inflammation, and sets you up for better nutrient absorption throughout the day. Now here are some final thoughts. There is no doubt that Americans are some of the most health-conscious people in the world, but we are also some of the sickest. We spend more on healthcare than any other nation, yet our rates of diabetes, heart disease, and metabolic dysfunction continue to climb. Maybe it's time to look at what other cultures with lower disease rates have been doing for thousands of years. Fenugreek isn't a miracle cure, it's a simple daily practice that supports your body's natural healing mechanisms. Soaking seeds overnight and then drinking its water on an empty stomach in the morning and chewing the seeds is really a small step anyone can take who is conscious to keep a long-term good health and stay diabetes free. If you found this video informative in any way, smash that like button and subscribe for more hidden health gems like this. It's free but really helps our channel in a big way and allows us to reach people who are in need of health guidance. And hey, comment below. Are you ready to try the traditional Indian fenugreek water method? I'd love to hear about your experience. Remember, sometimes the most powerful medicine isn't found in a pharmacy. It's sitting in your spice cabinet waiting to be discovered. Until next video, stay fit, stay sharp, and don't underestimate the wisdom of ancient traditions.